Hi, welcome to our channel of IGNOU audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Foreign Languages, SOFL, Certificate, Postgraduate Certificate Programs, Certificate in Arabic Language, CAL, BAL001 Basics of Arabic, Block-1 Reading and Writing 1, Unit-1 Common Arabic Words. 1.0 Objectives. The objective of this unit is to make you familiar with few common Arabic words, especially the use of yes and no in Arabic and Arabic alphabets alif, ba, ta, etc. 1.1 Introduction. In this very first unit you will learn 20 important vocabularies. They are closely related to your daily life to such an extent that sometimes even one Arabic word can solve the problem of a non-Arabic speaking person like you. For example, you are on your way to airport and you need to ask someone, where is the airport? You are not able to express full sentence in Arabic. You just happen to pronounce the word, matar, that is airport. I am sure ordinary Arab will understand that you want to go to airport and he will guide you by pointing out to airport. Therefore, you have to read the vocabularies given below, in such a way that you can feel them. For example, when you say, yes, in Arabic, try to feel that you are accepting something, and when you say, no, in Arabic try to feel that you are rejecting something. 1.2 Common Words. Meanings. Arabic words. Yes, na'am, no, la, house, bait, office, maktab, company, sharika, school, madrasa, hospital, mustashfa, airport, matar, manager, mudir, staff, muwadhaf, worker, amil, driver, saik, tilde, watchman, haras, tilde, engineer, mahandis, doctor, tabib, nurse, mumarida, accountant, mul lasib, policeman, shurti, car, sayyara, aeroplane, tayara. The following exercise should be attempted only after memorizing the above Arabic vocabularies with correct pronunciations. 1.7 Exercise 5. Practice of na'am, aj, yes, and la, why, no. The two words, yes, and no, are very important in all the languages without any exception. You will notice that in almost everything, either we agree and say, yes, or we disagree and say, no. In the following exercise try to practice the use of na'am, tilde and la, I with correct pronunciation. The first two sentences are done for you. 1.8 Writing Skills. Arabic is written from right to left. It has only 29 alphabets as compared to 44 in Hindi and 26 in English. There is no concept of capital or small letters, but they assume variant forms, shapes according to their positions, isolated, initial, medial or final. They are clearly explained in the following table. One can notice similarities among a group of letters in which distinction is made by the dots, which are put either above or under or in the middle of the letter. Note, learning of the alphabet involves the pronunciation also, therefore, it is recommended to keep in touch with your counselor. 1.9 Table 1. Only 4 letters out of 29 are given in the following table. The table shows the different forms, shapes of the letters as per their positions, isolated, initial, medial, and final. Though the book is opening from left to right, we, in the following unit, are deliberately trying to inculcate the habit of reading and writing from right to left. Look at the screen. 1.10 Table 2. Note, learners are required to carefully note different shapes of the letters as per their positions and practice the reading as well as writing. Look at the screen. If you look carefully at the above mentioned 4 letters, you will find that their forms, shapes have kept on changing according to their positions. So it became clear that Arabic letters assume different shape as per their positions. You would also have noticed that the shape of a group of letters is similar and difference is made by the dots, which are put above or under or in the middle of the letter. The first letter T pronounced as alf is equivalent to a in English. Practice the writing of I in its isolate form and while writing say loudly, alif. 1.12 Exercise 2. Practice the writing of I in its medial and final forms and while writing say loudly, alif. The letter alif is written in same way in its medial and final forms. The form of the letters tilde, ba, ta, and tilde, tha, is the same. The distinction among them is made by dots only. They can be joined to preceding and following letters. The letter tilde is pronounced as b and its equivalent in English is B. Practice the writing of tilde in its isolate form and while writing say loudly, ba. 1.19 Exercise 9. Write the first 4 letters you have learnt in this unit at least 4 times. Thank you. Subscribe to our channel for more updates, and we will see you with the next chapter.